When girls' trips to come up, or even trips with my husband to the beach, finding clothes to wear or swimsuits and things like that was always a challenge for me. So now I'm ready to wear all of the cute clothes and not have to worry so much about finding things. I've went from body conscious to body confident. Before OPTIFAST, I've tried weight loss solutions for about 5 years. My mom has always been my biggest encourager of getting myself more healthy, and I will always say I am, but there was always an event that set me back, and I would be like, well, maybe next time. I finally put my mind to it, and that's how I started on OPTIFAST. I started about 6 weeks before the shutdown of COVID-19, and that's when I had my most hardest challenges. My husband would cook, and I didn't feel that I was capable of actually being in the space with the food. And after a while, I was able to actually be in the kitchen with my husband as he's cooking and not even pay attention to the food and just be focused on my end goal. And that's when I knew that the perspective for me has shifted, and that I knew that I was mentally strong at that point and fully committed to OPTIFAST. My favorite parts of the OPTIFAST program would be the convenience, and also just being able to connect it with a dietitian and a doctor. I can be very transparent with them around my struggles or questions that I have. Before OPTIFAST and before my weight loss, you could always catch a waist-up picture of me in my phone, but now I'm loving myself much more, taking full-length pictures. With this new life, new body, I'm having more self-confidence in myself. I'm even debating on getting social media. I'm still debating. Right now, still no. Whenever my daughter wants to go outside, I'm always like, okay, let's go. Before OPTIFAST, I felt like it was a chore just because I was out of shape. I'm just proud to be at a healthy weight and planning for another child in the future. In the end, it's all up to you. I had to put my mind to it 100%, and once I was ready, there was no more turning back. You just have to be ready for yourself, and that's the only way you're gonna get through it.